Hi everyone, in this tutorial video I wanna show you how to speed up your Windows 10 performance. Okay guys, let's go. If you want to speed up your Windows 10 performance, you should to do some steps. Okay, let's go. First, go to this PC icon in your desktop, as you can see here. Right click, select properties. Okay, now in the left pane click advanced system settings. Okay, here guys, as you can see, okay, here in the advanced tab, look at performance. As you can see here, click settings. Okay, here guys we have 4 options. Select the third one, adjust for the best performance. Adjust for best performance. As you can see, this option, that means removes all visual effect for your Windows. That's mean increase the performance for your Windows, for your PC. That's it guys. When you finish, click apply. Wait a moment, then click OK. Okay, as you can see now, all visual effect has been removed. Okay, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.